It's not the easiest job. It is so satisfying because during the day, I just nap if I wasn't working and then wake up and spend all night. But I can't work on the van at night. So instead, I work on it during the day and I sleep pretty early and then I wake up really early to do stuff. So we're going to see if we can get this done. While I look at the front grille, I'm thinking about painting that black because it's faded anyway. And then with the bumper, I'm going to sand it down and also do that black, as well as the back bumper. Ideas? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, got the boot up. So, boot. Now if I take this camera and send these down the wire, hopefully it'll work. And bingo, was his Nemo. And we have to at least get the video cable through. Now this is a quandary. Because you have, this is a quandary. Because you have this. This had to go through this cable. If you look here, that's a big bundle of wires. And then it goes through this turn, and then it goes through another turn. Really debating on what to do with this right now. I got the wires through the boot with the help of Will, and I'm bringing wires back up through the boot for the reverse light and the power. So I think what we need to do right now is wire that red wire to that red wire and to the reverse light, and everything should be copacetic with the camera. We could do a little camera test, possibly, and we'll see what goes on from there. So I'm like trying to figure out some connector here in my van. It's in the back door. This is crazy. I'm going to splice the wires into the reverse light wires when I find 12 volts off that wire. Ground is easy to find. Ground? The whole van is grounded. So I took the brake light off. I took the brake light off because I'm going to try to get into the reverse section of the connector right now. So this is the reverse cable. And on one side you can see it's purple black and one side's black. I did put the van into reverse, found out the purple black is positive. And then I'll probably wire the ground to the body here. Now you can see some rusted spots here, which I could get to bare metal. There's bare metal inside there, inside this little hole here. That's where I got the ground from in the first place, but I don't have a bolt that's short enough that would go flush on the inside. And on the outside here, it's too long to go on the outside. So I'm going to figure something out. Over here, this is where I've been working. This is the video cable to the camera. This is actually the camera. I'm not going to run the camera yet. But this is the power over here. The power and the ground. This is going to be wired back to the brake light. And also, this wire is connected to the dash. It'll give 12 volts all the way back down from the camera to the dash. Everything should work. If everything works fine, it'll be awesome. If it doesn't, then I'm going to have to order another $45 radio. Ha! That isn't the loveliest job, but that's what I have to do right now. Today was a rough day. I wired up that backup camera. I thought I had 12 volts. I got it by splicing into the reverse light. And then after that, the reverse light still had 12 volts because it was lighting up the reverse light. But apparently the camera's not getting lit up for some reason. I don't know. Either it's the radio itself or it's the wiring I'm doing back there. Because the ground wasn't the best ground. But again, I'm doing what I have available to me just to test it out to see if it's working fine. I tried twice. It's wired through the boot and everything. I got to put the boot back. Now that I just looked at it, I go, oh yeah, but I think it'll survive the night. I don't think we're going to get any inclement weather or anything like that. Plus, it's just wires. They're all sealed. We're not driving anywhere. I think tomorrow maybe I'll do some hardware work but I know I have an appointment tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning. So until like after lunch, I don't know if I'm going to be able to work on the van. There are two things I need to do tomorrow. One are the restraints on the bottom, and the other one is the stupid angle brackets on the wall. I got to grind them down. I think I'm going to have some help with the catalytic converter tomorrow, but we'll have to see it. I don't know what the plans are right yet. So until then, I will talk to you guys really soon. And please subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me if I'm doing something wrong. Hit that thumbs up button, but that would give me a real happy face. I ran out of stuff to say.